Hi everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to find the power of a number present in a column of a table in MySQL. So let's get started. So for this we will be using the power inbuilt function, which is basically used to raise a particular number or a value present in the column to the value of another number. So first let me give you a simple demo of power function, and later I will be showing you how you can access the value present in a table and find its power. So for this it's going to be select power, and within bracket you need to specify two numbers. One is going to be the base number and another one is going to be the number to which you want to raise that number. So I will be going with 4,2. This number is going to be the base number and this number is going to be the power of the number. So this basically means 4 power 2 or 4 square. So we will be getting the output as 16. So if I run it now, so you can see we have got 16 over here. So this is fine. And if I do now 5, 3, which is 5 cube, we will be getting 125 in the output. So this is how it works. And now let me show you how you can access the value present in the table. So here I am having a table named as mine table. It has 3 rows and values 5, 10 and 6. So I'll be showing you how we can find the power of this mark column. Okay. So for this it's going to be the exact same syntax. Select power, but here we will be changing, rather than 5 we will be just putting mark, and you can do the opposite way as well. You can just have a number 2 over here and you can just add mark the column name over here as well. That's totally up to you. I will do this way. So you need to specify the column name as one of the parameters inside the power function, and I will raise this to 2, and you need to put the table name as well from the table name, my table. So just the column name, you can add it anywhere. So if I just now run it, so here you can see I've got 5 square, 10 square and 6 square, and these were the values. So in case like if I want to add, I will do this, select mark comma power. If I just now run it, yeah, so this is much better comparison. But here we are having a problem. We are having the column heading as some power within bracket mark. So what if you wanted a custom column heading? So in that case what we can do is we can just add the as keyword, and let me just specify the power underscore of some random heading. So this particular text over here will be appearing as the column heading for our power. So if I just now run this, we will be getting this particular text over here as the heading, and this is basically how power function works in MySQL. And I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also run many other tutorials in MySQL queries as well as CRUD using Node.js, MongoDB and MySQL, as well as programming tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python. So do check the playlist of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.